Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your speaker Creative Muvo Play. And the first method is to use adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect USB-C cable to USB-C port on your speaker and connect it of course to the power. And that's it. Now, the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone didn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So again, connect USB-C cable to USB-C port on the speaker and the second one to your phone. And it will charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!